How to fix a frozen or unresponsive HP laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an HP laptop that's not responding to touch on the touchpad, your mouse isn't moving, and the keyboard's not doing anything. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So usually this is easy to fix with just a quick hard reset. And don't worry, that does not affect the files on your computer. All we need to do is first find the power button on our laptop. So on mine, it looks like this. It's up here in the top left, but it might look different on your HP laptop. It might be up in the center or over in the side, something like that. So find the power button, and then we just want to hold down the power button for around 10 to 15 seconds. So hold it down. You might see the display turn off. You might see any lights on the keyboard turn off or hear the fans turn off. Hold it down for around 5 seconds after that happens. Just let go of the power button, and now just hold down the power button for around 4 to 5 seconds. So what we just did was a quick hard reset. It just forces the laptop to turn off and then turn back on. After doing that, it may take it a little longer to turn on, so just give it a second. You'll see it start booting up. And then as you can see, it's responding to touch again. My mouse is moving and I can type in my PIN and try to log in. That's how you fix an HP laptop that's frozen. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.